Finally, we have come to our last section, that is footer. Okay, first of all, let's add some spacing. So that is 30 for our section. And then let's open our Figma. Let's see what we have. As you can see, we have just this text at the center with some background. All right, so I want to copy this text and let's close this. Oh, actually, let's take a look at the mobile version as well. The mobile version and desktop version is pretty much the same. All right, so let's close this. And now, first of all, instead of what is it, 50, not 50, 500 for the height, we can make this 300. So width just stays the same, and for the child, we can have text. And for the text, I will put that copied value from our Figma. And then let's give this some alignment as well. Alignment dot center, and let's try to save it and see how it looks. Okay, as you can see, we have this text right here, and this looks kind of big, and let's change it to, I don't know, I think instead of height we can give some padding. Okay, let's try that. Padding edge insets dot symmetric dot, not dot, but vertical of 20. Let's try that. Okay, I think this looks pretty good, but on our Figma, if we take a look at that, it's kind of, I think, not primary white, secondary white, and font weight is also smaller. We can change the styling of this. All right, so text style. For the text style, first of all, I want to change the font weight. For the font weight, let's make this 400. And for the color, we can use our custom color. Oops, custom color dot white secondary. All right, if I save it, okay, now this looks pretty well. Yeah, that's good. Let's make this const as well. Let's format it just like this, and let's grab this whole container widget with its child and put it in its own file as a footer widget. Okay, I'll just copy it just like that, and I'll come here inside our widgets folder. I'll create a footer widget dot not footer file, and here let's create a new widget, and the name of the widget will be footer. Okay, so footer widget is the same for both mobile and the desktop version of our website. All right, now we can have that footer, and then we can just put it right here. And if we import it, let's try to import it, and then let's save it. Okay, as you can see, this looks the same as before. Now let's try to uncomment all of our sections and see them together and see how it looks. Let's save it. Okay, as you can see, this is a mobile version of our profile. Let's change it to desktop. Okay, now this is desktop version. As you can see, this looks pretty good. All right, now all of it, let's try to type something just like that. Okay, and then what we can do right now is let's make this text field, message field, a little bit smaller. Let's change the max lines to a smaller value. Where is our contact section? Okay, here, our contact section. And for this one, I want to change, where is our message here? We have max lines 20. Instead of that, I want to change this to 16. Let's see how it looks. Let's try to scroll down. Okay, I think this is better than before. It's kind of, the height is a little bit smaller. All right, as you can see, there's a kind of little bit of freezing when we scroll it, that's because we are in debug mode. When we put it in production mode, it should work as expected.